Do you ever have clients who are just looking to enhance their wave, but they feel like it's impossible? Well, we've got the answer. Today, I'm working on Claire's hair, and I've determined during her consultation that her curl pattern is a 2B. To begin, I like to prep. So I'm prepping her hair using a Curl Can Dream Weightless Moisture Shampoo. Now this is gonna gently cleanse the hair without weighing it down. So as you can see me doing now, after I have put in my favorite leave-in conditioner, which is Miracle Creator, that gives 20 benefits, I am creating quadrants, 4 quadrants in her hair. Now stay with me because this is going to be a method that's going to help me to keep the hair organized, balanced, and predictable. You can base your clients' parting off of the way they like to part their hair, or you can do what I did. I'm beginning by parting the hair from the center of the forehead straight back to the nape. Then I create a second part from ear to ear, crossing through the crown. This is going to give me 4 clean sections, 2 in the front and 2 in the back. So now what you see me doing, I'm unraveling the right back quadrant so that I can create more subsections. Now I'm going to begin putting product in the hair to help encourage the curl. So I'm starting by using a Curl Can Dream Light Hold Gel. This is going to help me to encourage her waves while giving me a little bit of hold. So as you can see, I'm taking a pea-sized amount because you don't want to overdo it with the product. Take a pea-sized amount and make sure that you are evenly distributing the product in her hair or in your client's hair from the roots all the way to the ends. Then what you will want to do is follow up using a Scrunch and Go spray. This is going to give your clients weightless moisture and definition, and also this gives you up to 450 degrees of heat protection. So take your comb or your defining brush, make sure that you're detangling the hair. And then what I love about this technique is that you can use your hands. So you can use your fingers and your hands to encourage the curls. So that's what you see me doing here. So let's do it one more time. Create a horizontal parting. I'm going to take a pea-sized amount of the lightweight gel. I'm also going to evenly distribute that through the hair and follow up with the Scrunch and Go spray. You're going to take your curl defining brush or comb and make sure that the hair is detangled, and take your fingers and your hands and go ahead and scrunch their hair up to the nape or the base of their scalp to encourage the curls. And then what you're going to do is go ahead and repeat these steps. One of the most important finishing steps for wavy and curly hair is diffusing. Unlike rough blow drying, diffusing allows the curl pattern to dry in its natural state, giving you less frizz and more definition. The diffuser attachment works by evenly distributing airflow across larger sections of hair without disrupting the curl formation. This means we can preserve bounce and volume while also controlling how much movement we want in the final look. Now, with the new AirLight Pro, if you haven't used it, you need to go and get you one. Diffusing the hair has been taken to the next level. The advanced airflow technology delivers consistent heat and a softer airstream, which helps to maintain the integrity of the hair. I don't know about you guys, but healthy hair is priority, okay? So the fact that it maintains the integrity of the hair, that is crucial. It's gonna help to do so by reducing the drying time. And for stylists, what does this mean for you? It means more efficiency behind the chair. And clients, it also means that you get to have healthier looking curls that feel soft, weightless, and full of life. Let me just tell you some of the things that I love about this dryer. So it has an infrared light technology that locks in moisture into the hair to allow for bouncy but never dried out curls. It's been tested and supported on all hair types from 1A to 4C, and the AirLight Pro dries the hair faster with no damage at all. So also another thing, you get to customize your guest blow drying experience by selecting pre-saved pro settings that hone in on specific hair care needs or desired styles by including curls, coils, and scalps. So friends, just know that when using or finishing your wavy and curly clients, your tools make the difference, from your products on down to your diffuser. I hope you guys love this look. Comment below your favorite thing that you learned today.